guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another review video, and today I'll be doing a different kind of review, and I'm sure those like me who has a kid at home will definitely be benefited by today's video. So today I am back with review and unboxing of educational subscription box for kids, that is the Xplorabox. So my 3-year-old son was getting kind of addicted to TV, and I thought of giving him something interesting to do, and that's how I landed to Xplorabox page. So what is Xplorabox? Xplorabox is a monthly subscription activity box for kids with numerous skill enhancing activities. And these activities are made in such a way that they help to develop the various motor, cognitive and social skills of a child. In these Xploraboxes, there will be games, there will be exciting projects, some DIYs and also a storybook. So they have boxes for different age group like 2 to 4, 4 to 6 till 8 years, and let me tell you guys, 80% of the brain development happens in the first 8 years of a child's life. So it's like very important to guide them in a proper way in this first 8 years especially. When you go to their site, you will get sneak peek of what's going to be there in the boxes. Coming to the subscription plan, they have different subscription plans like if you buy a single box, it will cost you rupees 9.99. However, if you go for a 3-month subscription plan, each box will cost you rupees 7.49. And if you go for a 6-month subscription plan, each box will cost you rupees 6.49. Also, along with the box, you get 10 theme-based downloadable worksheet each month that will be sent directly to your registered email ID. Also, shipping is free and they have COD available. They also have an app which you can get from Google Play Store. So this is the box that they have sent me. In front of the box, the app name is written, and you can get worksheets like this in the app which are very useful. The age group that I got is 2 to 4 and the theme of the month is Nature Fun. So when you open the box, you get a welcome letter like this. And then there are 5 activities in the box, and each comes in plastic packets like this. Now I will introduce you to all the activities, and you can see how interesting they are. And all the activities will come with instruction manual. So yeah, that was a review and unboxing of the Xplorabox. It is really effective for kids because kids loves to do them. And it is not only games, it is educational also. So I definitely recommend this. Do buy. The link will be given in the description box below. Guys, I have to add this, that this is definitely a better utilization of free time, and this will definitely keep them away from TV or mobile. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do let me know by putting a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any question to ask. Also, to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Bye bye.
Please like,